Looking for a highly equipped SUV with superior functionality and all the reliability you could possibly imagine? You've come to the right place. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude in velvet red with black headlamp bezel finish, black lens tail lamps, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, Jeep black gloss badging, single exhaust with bright tips, remote start system, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, power sunroof, 9 amplified speakers with subwoofer, 7-inch touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, backup camera, blind spot and cross path detection, QUADRA-TRAC 4-wheel drive system, power liftgate, dual zone automatic temperature control, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5391.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.